Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix unusual activity detected on Elevenlabs. In order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser in your PC or in your laptop, and in the search bar you will have to type elevenlabs.io. Once done, you will be landed on Elevenlabs, where you need to hover over to the top right hand corner and you will have to click on this sign in tab if you already have an account on Elevenlabs, or sign up if you haven't already created your account on Elevenlabs. Now once you're successfully logged in, you will be redirected on this type of page where you can generate your audios. Now sometimes while generating audios, you must see this type of error which says unusual activity detected, free tier usage disabled. If you are using proxy/VPN, you might need to purchase a paid plan to not trigger or abuse detectors. Free tier only works if users do not abuse it. For example, by creating multiple free accounts. If we notice that many people try to abuse it, we will need to reconsider free tier altogether. Please play fair. Please purchase any paid subscription to continue. So what this error is saying is that you should not use multiple free accounts. So whenever you are using multiple free accounts in only one device, then you might see this error in all of your accounts. So in this situation, what you can do is you can keep your devices separate. For example, you can use elevenlabs.io in your PC with one email and in your mobile device with some other email address. This way you will not be able to see this error anymore. Second thing that you can use to fix this issue is to simply sign out of your elevenlabs.io and do not use it for 24 to 48 hours. After 24 to 48 hours, when you will start generating your audios on elevenlabs.io, you will notice that you are not getting that error. Third thing that you can use, as this error is also suggesting that you should not use any proxy or VPN, because this can trigger this error and you may not be able to generate your audios on elevenlabs.io. So by keeping these things in mind, you are definitely going to fix this unusual activity detected error on Elevenlabs. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.